So I have the Xiaomi Watch S3 and I'll be showing you how to use your own custom photo as the background in the watch face of this particular watch. So let's say you want a photo like this one or this one or even this one as the background on your watch. How do you do that? So this is very simple. Just go to the Mi Fitness app on your phone and then tap on device and then tap on manage watch faces. And then with the online tab selected here, you should see this category called custom. So go ahead and tap on that. And then you have different customizations or different styles for adding photos as the background of your watch face. So you have this one that looks like a postcard, this one custom diamond, custom analog. Let's go for this custom digital. So I'll tap on that. And the first thing you want to do is apply this watch face to the watch, right? So just tap on apply and that watch face is going to be sent to the watch. There you go. So once the watch face has been sent to the watch, you should now see the option to edit. Tap on that. And then now you can go ahead and add photos. So just tap on add photo. And actually you can add more than one photo and the photos will keep cycling around. So if you want to add more than one photo, you're free to do that. So I'm just going to go through my gallery and select a couple of photos. I'll pick this one and then I'll pick that one. I'll pick this one too. And then I'll also pick this one. So I've picked 4. So tap on done in the top right corner. And then now you can hit the back button. And you can see my photos are here. And all I need to do now is tap on apply. So that those photos are now transferred to the watch. Might take a while, so just be patient. And now it's done. And as you can see, my watch face has a background image that I wanted. All right. Now you can also continue editing these things like style, color, complications, all that stuff, right? So there's more to the watch face. You can edit more stuff. But now since I picked more than one photo, every time the screen goes off and it comes back on, you should see I have a different photo. Okay. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.